In this video, I'll show you how to legally download Steam Workshop mods without owning the game. You need an archival program like 7-zip. If you don't have it, just download it. Now, go to the Steam CMD tool site and download it. This is a tool provided by Valve that lets you download mods even if you don't own the game on Steam. Go to Steam CMD page and click on the download link. Save the archive to the folder on your PC and extract the contents using an archival program like 7-zip. Double-click the Steam CMD to start the tool. Log in and type login anonymous, then hit enter. Now, go to the game's main Steam page and look at the URL. You'll find a number before the game's name. This is the app ID. Write or copy it, then visit Steam Workshop page for the mod you want. The URL will contain mod ID. Write this down as well. In the Steam CMD, type the following command to download the mod, which is workshop download item app ID, then mod ID. Press enter and the mod will start downloading. Once the download is complete, navigate to the downloaded location. Install the mod. You will be stored in different locations for different games. The process to install mods varies by game, but it will usually be similar to installing mods from other sources. And that's it, guys. Enjoy your mods. Thank you for watching.